Under a translation, the image of a point 5, 4 is 7, 1. What is the image of the point 1, negative 4 under the same translation? This is a multiple choice question, and so we will solve the question, and after that we will pick the correct option. The question says that a translation vector is used to transform the point 5, 4, and it gives us the image 7, 1. We are going to find the image that same translation vector will give us when it is used to translate the point 1, negative 4. It means that we first have to find a translation vector. When you have a point and its image, the translation vector used is given by the image minus the point. So the translation vector is equal to the image minus the point. The translation vector was used to transform the point 5, 4, and the image it gave us was 7, 1. So to get the translation vector, we will subtract the point 5, 4 from the image 7, 1. So the image is 7, 1 and the point is 5, 4. 7, 1 minus 5, 4. 7 minus 5 will give us 2. 1 minus 4 will give us negative 3. It means that the translation vector used to transform the point 5, 4 to give us the image 7, 1 is 2, negative 3. This is the translation vector. The question says that this translation vector 2, negative 3 is used to transform the point 1, negative 4. What will be the image of this point? So we now have the translation vector 2, negative 3, and we are going to use it to transform the point 1, negative 4. We have the point and the translation vector. The image is equal to the translation vector plus the point. The translation vector is 2, negative 3, and the point is 1, negative 4. So the image is equal to the translation vector, which is 2, negative 3, plus the point, which is 1, negative 4. 2 plus 1 will give us 3. Negative 3 plus negative 4 will give us negative 7. This means that when the translation vector 2, negative 3 is used to transform the point 1, negative 4, the image will be 3, negative 7. When we look through the options, we can see that the correct option is A.